like Nagaraj Chacha Chaudhary etc. Yes, of course. Some of you may have read the comic book. A comic book contains stories told mainly through stories. And today we are going to read also a comic chapter, Gopal and the Hills of Fish. Here both are nouns, Gopal and Hills of Fish, and we see that Gopal is a man and Hilsa fish is a type of fish. So you see in the first picture, it was the season for Hilsa fish. The first sentence says that in a city near river or ocean, it was season for mango season, butterfly season. There are a lot of seasons. So this word season for Hilsa fish means in this season Hilsa fish was found in that area in enough quantity. So fishermen means the people who do fishing are called fishermen. Could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Means all the fishermen were only thinking about the Hilsa fish. Fishermongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. In that place, they only sold Hilsa fish. Come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. This is the picture of a fish market. In second picture, this picture, household could talk nothing but Hilsa fish. Means people of that area or that place were also only talking about Hilsa fish. Like when you buy something, your friends talk about what type of copy or pen you have bought, what thing do you bought. So, how much did you pay for that Hilsa? People generally ask about the price of anything you buy. So, this lady is asking this man the price of Hilsa fish. You wouldn't believe it if I told you. And then man is saying that I bought it very cheaply, because if I told you that I bought it very cheaply or very expensively, you will not believe it. And in the palace too, here too is used as adjective. In the palace there was a king. He lived in a palace. The courtiers could discuss nothing but hills of fish. The courtiers were only discussing about the hills of fish, because that was the season of hills of fish. Your Majesty, one of courtiers said, you should have seen the huge hills I caught. It was, means he was saying that I caught a huge hills of fish. But the king got annoyed. He became angry. So the eyes of king. And the king said, stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? तुम एक दरबारी हो या एक मछली बेचने वाले हो. Don't talk about fish, hilsa fish, because this is a palace. Then soon king realized that he had done a whole blunder. So the courtier fell silent, and with downcast eyes the king felt guilty. कोर्टियर ने संकोच बस आंखें नीचे करके चुप हो गया. तो इस पे जो है राजा को लगा कि वो ने कोई गलती कर दी. तो राजा ने क्या करेगा, जब आपको कोई गलती लगता है, गिल्ट महसूस होता, क्या करते हैं आप, सॉरी बोलते हैं. तो किंग सेड आई एम सॉरी, आई लॉस्ट माई टेम्पर. राजा कहता है मुझे माफ़ कर दो, मुझे गुस्सा आ गया था. इट इज़ द सीजन फॉर हिल्सा फिश एंड नो वन, नॉट इवन गोपाल कैन स्टॉप एनी वन फ्रॉम टॉकिंग अबाउट हिल्सा फिश, नॉट इवन फॉर 5 मिनट्स. राजा कह रहा है इसमें गोपाल जो उसका चीफ सबसे बुद्धिमान मंत्री था, कोर्टियर था, वो भी नहीं लोगों को मना कर सकता कि हिल्सा फिश के बारे में बात न करें. क्योंकि इस टाइम जैसे कोरोना चल रहा है, तो इस समय सभी लोग कोरोना के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ओह, आई कुड